Ever dreamed of becoming fluent in a new language in record time? Like really fast, forget the old school methods that take years. Today, we're diving into the ultimate blueprint for learning any language in 2026. This isn't about magic. It's about a smart, modern strategy that works. So if you're ready to unlock a new world of communication, stick around because this is the only guide you'll ever need. Let's get straight into it. The very first step, the foundation of your entire language journey, is setting SMART goals. What does SMART stand for? Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Vague goals like "I want to learn Spanish" are a recipe for failure. Instead, get super specific, something like "I will learn the 100 most common Spanish verbs and be able to use them in the present tense within 30 days. See the difference? It's concrete, you can track your progress. Maybe your goal is to have a 5-minute conversation with a native speaker about your hobbies within 3 months. This isn't just a wish, it's a plan. When you define exactly what success looks like, you create a clear roadmap. You know what you need to do each day, each week. It takes the guesswork out and replaces it with focused action. So before you download a single app or buy a single textbook, take 30 minutes, sit down, and write out your SMART goals. This single act will put you light years ahead of most learners. Now for the fun part, immersion. You don't need to book a flight to another country to immerse yourself. You can create a rich, immersive environment right where you are. Think of it as building a language bubble around your life. Change the language on your phone, your computer, your social media accounts. Every time you unlock your screen, you'll see your target language. It's a tiny, constant exposure that adds up incredibly fast. Start listening to music in that language. Find a playlist you love and let it play in the background while you work, cook, or drive. You don't even have to understand all the lyrics at first. You're training your ear to the sounds, the rhythm, and the flow of the language. The same goes for podcasts and TV shows. Find content that genuinely interests you. If you love true crime, find a true crime podcast in your target language. If you're a comedy fan, watch sitcoms with subtitles. This makes learning feel less like a chore and more like entertainment. You're absorbing grammar, vocabulary, and cultural nuances without even realizing it. The key is to weave the language into the fabric of your daily routine. The more you see it and hear it, the more natural it becomes. Alright, step 3 is a massive shortcut. It's about focusing on high-frequency words. What does that mean? In any language, a small number of words make up the vast majority of daily conversations. Did you know that in English, just 100 words make up about 50% of all spoken language? The same principle applies to Spanish, French, Japanese, you name it. This is the 80-20th rule in action. By learning the most common 1,000 words, you can understand somewhere around 80% of everyday communication. That's a huge return on your investment of time and effort. So instead of trying to memorize a dictionary, focus your energy on these core words first. You can find lists of high-frequency words for almost any language with a quick online search. Use flashcard apps like Anki or Memrise that use spaced repetition to drill these words into your long-term memory. Once you have a solid grasp of these essential building blocks, you'll be amazed at how much you can suddenly understand and express. You can start forming sentences, asking questions, and following conversations. It's the fastest way to go from zero to conversational. This next step is where the real magic happens. It's the mental shift from being a student of the language to becoming a user of the language. I'm talking about thinking in your target language. This might sound advanced, but you can start doing it from day one, even with just a few words. It starts with your internal monologue. As you go about your day, try to narrate your actions in your head using the words you know. Making coffee, think, "I am making coffee" in your target language. See a dog, think, "That is a dog. The dog is big. It will feel clumsy and slow at first." Your vocabulary will be limited. That's okay. You'll constantly find gaps in your knowledge, words you don't know. And that's fantastic because every time you hit a wall, you can look up that word. How do I say kettle? You look it up, and now you know a new word. You are actively building your vocabulary based on your own real-life needs. This practice forces your brain to stop translating. Instead of thinking in your native language, translating to the target language, and then speaking, you start to cut out the middleman. You are building direct neural pathways. Over time, this becomes more and more automatic. You'll start dreaming in the language, your thoughts will naturally flow in it, and that's when you know you're truly on the path to fluency. So there you have it. The 4 pillars to learning a language fast in 2026. Set SMART goals, immerse yourself in the language, master high-frequency words, and start thinking in your new tongue. This isn't just a collection of tips, it's a system. And the most important ingredient that holds it all together is consistency. Learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. Even 15 or 20 minutes of focused effort every single day are far more effective than a 5-hour cram session once a week. It's about building a habit. It's about showing up for yourself and your goals, day in and day out. The journey will have its ups and downs, but with this strategy, you have a clear path forward. You can do this. The world is waiting for you to join the conversation. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content to help you achieve your goals. Let me know in the comments which language you're learning. I'd love to hear about your journey. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.